hope that this is music will play all the world the same we played before. So this is very important for like the occasion we need to remember and memorize. It's very important for Montagnard people. And thank you. Now we start to play.
All right, let's play.
And anyway, this one, in our community, we already have many organizations. One thing is we miss here. We don't have a cultural organization. I hope this family will be the host for the future and like for the keeping our culture still alive in this modern society. Okay, now we start to play.